here is a deeply discharged battery, the way we can tell. 0.9 volts. I'm going to set the charger to the complete charge. This is an old flooded battery, so select flooded mode. Even with 0.9 volts, it sees that there's a battery connected. Charging flooded, it automatically goes to the battery recovery. So right now, it's actually sending power to that battery to see if it'll actually come up and hold a charge at 12 volts. It will remain in this mode until the battery has reached 12.6 volts and maintains it for a certain amount of time. Then it will actually change from battery recovery to the partial or complete charge based upon the mode you set it to.